I remember the whole numbers, but I don't remember decimals.
Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So today we're going to learn the rounding decimals, okay? So round each decimals to the nearest whole number. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. When we do the rounding up, the most important thing is look at the number which is a little bit, this the place which is smaller. So let's take a look at this one. So we have let me just link my pencil. Okay, yeah. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So this is 3, right? So this is a whole number. Okay, so Amelia and Alex, if the question is asking you to round up to the nearest whole number, I'm going to put the 3 here. So that's a whole number, and that is a number after. So what is in this place number? 10th place. So we'll look at the number after this number needs you to be rounded to. So the 10th number. So Amelia, 1 is smaller than 5 or bigger than 5?
Smaller.
Smaller than 5. So that means we don't have to add 1. We don't have to. We just round it up. So the answer is 23.
Yeah, I kind of get it now.
Okay, so let's take a look at next one. So rounding the whole number, so 4, right? So we look at the number after that. So is it 4 smaller than 5? Right?
Yeah.
So if it is smaller than 5,
The answer is 4.
so it's 14. Very good. Okay, so let's take a look at this. 3.95. We're doing the whole number is the 3, right? So we
4.
very good. So 9 is bigger than 5. So we're still rounding up to the 0, but this one we round up. It's not round down. So the answer is 4. Get it, Alexander? So you do 2, 4, and 6. And send it to me, okay?
Done, Miss Carrie.
Okay, very good. Send it to me on chat.
Yeah, I did.
Thank you very much. Both of you get it right. Very quick. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So this time is rounded the decimal to the nearest 10th. Okay, Amelia and Alexander, this is 10. So we're going to look at the 10th place and then look at the number after that. So it's 5, so it's round up. So 22.7, correct? And when you have this one, you look at the 10th and look at the after. It's 4. It's smaller than 0. Sorry, smaller than 5. So it's round down. So we don't have to do it. So 47.8. Correct? Okay, so let's take 11, 8, 10, and 12. 4 questions, okay? Okay. I have received Amelia's. Okay, Alexander. 哎呀，我们来看一下最后一道题目有一点点不一样。OK，前面几道题目 you're the same. Very good. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. 71 and 79. So let's take a look at this one. Amelia, you're looking at the tens place, right? Alexander, right? So we're looking at the after that. So
It's
nine.
supposed to be 71.8.
Very good. Okay, Amelia, you corrected. I think it's a type error, right? It's a type error. Okay, very good. So let's take a look at the next one. So nearest hundredth. So this time, 6 questions. I don't think you need any help from me. So 6 questions and send it to me by chat immediately. Okay, Alex has sent it to me already. Amelia, 你好像少发了一个给我。
Yeah, I sent you all of them just now.
Yeah, the first one you didn't send it to me, right?
Send it to you. It's 5.44.
Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Okay, so the first one, I'm going to send the answer. So 5.44, 2619, 91.45, 12.91, 48662, and 29.35. Get it? Okay, so I think almost everyone. Okay, so last 6 questions. Nearest to thousands.
I underlined where the thousandth is on the board.
Very good.
我
我在上课，爸爸。
我只是起立。
Okay, I'm sending it.
Okay. Okay, so I'm going to just give you the answer.
Okay, send it to you. May I go to the washroom?
Yeah, of course. Okay, Alex, check your answer. Okay, Alex, 我们现在继续啊，好吗？Okay, very good. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So do you still remember how to find out the factors of each numbers? Do you still remember, Alexandra? Okay, very good. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So please list all positive factors of each number. So 1, 8, 2, 4. Okay, Alex, remember, I want you to do them in pairs. Why we're doing this in pairs? Because in pairs, you're not going to miss any. I don't want you to do 1, 2, 4, 8, because in this way, the number is smaller. It's not possible to lose anything. But when the number is getting bigger, it is very easy to lose some factors, okay? So it's like 1, 8, 2, 4. This is on your scratch paper, and you can just rewrite it on the real answer. So 1, 2, 4, 8. Understand? And count how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're right. Understand? Okay, so let's take a look at 42. So we have 1, 42, 2, 21, 3, 14, 6, and 7. Correct? So then you will rewrite it 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21, and 42. Understand? So it's going to be 8 of them. Okay, so I want you to write 17, 2, 10, and 18. Okay, please write all of them. 做好了告诉老师啊。Okay, I'm going to explain this one. So number 2. Alexander, could you please tell me how many factors are there?
4.
4. So 9 has 4 factors. Can you tell me what are they?
1, 9, 3, 3.
Oh, so Amelia
Actually,
said.
no, because
So
3 is the
it's
same
the
number, so it's
same.
just
So
3.
it's 1, 3, 9.
2, yeah.
Very good. 1, 3, 9. So instead of 4, there are actually 3 factors. Understand, Alexander? Okay, very good. Okay, so
Actually, I said that.
yeah, I know. But Alexander said, Alexander didn't say 4.
I said 4.
Oh, okay. So next one, Alexander, 48. Your turn. Alexander, can you hear me? Alexander, can you hear me? Okay, Amelia, can you tell me 48 how many? Oh, 还在做是吧？
8 factors.
Yeah, 48. How many factors? 40.
1, 48,
Mhm.
2, 24, 16, 3, 4, and 12.
And that's it?
I think so.
Okay, Alexander, do you have any opinion?
I think there's 10.
Very good. Can you give me the other two? Can you give me another two?
6.
6 and 8, correct? 6 and 8. Amelia? Okay? Okay, yeah. So 75, we have 175, 325, 515. Okay, 68, 1, 68, 2, 34, 4, 17. Okay? Okay, get it? Okay, so now 3, 11, and then 19, 4, 12, and 20. Okay, Amelia and Alex.
Whatever. I'll just send you the first 5 and then
You
I'll
don't have
do
to
the
send
rest.
it to me. Don't have to send it to me.
Only
Okay, so let's take a look at this one, 15. So 1, 15, 3, 5. Okay, number 11, 1, 50, 2, 25, 5, 10. Get it? 1, 96, 2, 48, 3. Okay, get it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so next,
number 4 is 1 times 16, 2 times 8, and 4 times 4.
very good. So how many factors are there, Alex?
6.
Oh, 看看。And 5, very good. Okay, thank you. So number 36, how many factors are there?
8.
8. So 1, 36, 2, 18,
3,
3,
12,
12,
4,
4,
and
9,
9.
and 6, and 6. How many of them are there? 到底是9个还是10个？
9个。9.
9, very good. Because 6 and 6 are the same one, right? Alex, understand? Both you and Amelia, okay? So 1, 78, 2, 39, 3, 26. Okay, and 13 and 6, and that's it. Okay, so 8 of them. Amelia, did you see that? Okay, very good. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So this one will be your homework, okay? I'm not going to do every single one. So let's take a look at this one. How to find out the greatest common factor for all of them. So when we find out the greatest common factor, usually we find out the factor of 2. So 1, 2, 4, right? And 2 is 1, 2. So the common factor they have is 1 and 2, right? So the greatest common factor is 2. Correct? Okay, we have 32. We have 1, 32, 2, 16, 4, 8, and that's it, right? And 24, we have 1, 24, 2, 12, 3, 8, and 4, 6. So we're going to see 1 is a common factor, 2 is a common factor, 4 is a common factor, 8 is a common factor. So which one's greatest? 8. Correct? Okay, so let's do 2, 10, and 18 yourself. 2, 10, and 18 yourself. And send it to me the greatest common factor.
But 3 and 5, I think they're both prime numbers.
Yeah, so their common factor will be
1.
1.
Send it. I sent it.
Very good. Very good. So 1, 2, and 18. Very good. So I'm going to ask you to take a look at the number 18 together with me, okay? So Alex and Alex and Amelia, can you tell me 18 and 36, what is the relationship between them?
I have 18.
You have 18 and 36 is 18 times 2 equals 36. Correct? 18 times 2 equals 36, correct? Okay, that means 36 is a multiplication of 18, and 18 is a factor of 36. Get it? That's why it is 18 for the factor of both of them. Get it? Okay, very good. So now I'm going to share one thing with you. So 2 and 6. So we can divide it by 2. So 1 and 3. Okay, 4 and 14 divided by 2 equals 2 and 7. So we're going to learn the method of short division, okay? So let's take a look at 26 and 20, Alex. So we have 2, so 13 and 10. So 2 is the biggest one. Well, let's take a look at this one. If we have 12 and 20, how we do it? 12 and 20, we can both divide by 2 first. So 6 and 10. And it's not done yet, Amelia, right? So divided by 2 equals 3 and 5. So that's why 2 times 2 equals what? Equals 4. Get it? Okay, so that's why.
Just
the
do that from
greatest-
the beginning.
Yeah, you can do that. Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. So we want to do 20, we want you to do 18, and we want you to do 17. Okay, so these 3 questions. Use a short division one.
Didn't we already do 18?
Yeah, I know. I want you to redo it. Okay, 做好了吗? Yes, okay, so let's take a look at this one. So 32, 24 divided by 2, 16 and 12 divided by 2, 8 and 6 divided by 2, 4 and 3. So that's why, what is the biggest? So 2 times 2 times 2. We can rewrite it, Alex. 2 to the power 3 equals 8. Correct? 2 to the power 3, 8. Very good. Okay, next one. 18 and 36. Divided by 2, 9, 18. Divided by 3, 3 and 6. And divided by 3, and 1 and 2. So 2 times 2 times, sorry, 2 times 3
2
times
times 3 times 3 equals
2 to the power 3 squared equals 18. Okay, next one. 13 and 14. Divided by 2. 15 and 7. There's nothing. So that's why the factor is 2.
I wrote it on the board earlier, but you erased it.
Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. We have these 6 questions. Okay, so please calculate it.
Done.
Okay, so I have seen. Okay, so let's take a look at. Okay, very good, all of them. Thank you, Amelia. Good job. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So least common multiple. Okay, if you have already learned the short division way, so we're going to take a look at how to find out the least common multiple. So 4 and 18. So divided by what? Divided by 2. So 2 and 9. So there's no common factor anymore, right? So 2, 2, 9. We're going to do what? Times all of them together equals 36. So the lowest common multiple of 4 and 18 is 36.
Get it.
Get it? Okay, so 25 and 18, do they have any common factor at all? No, so just times them. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Number 2. Okay, number 2. How do we do it? And number 1. If one of them is the other one's multiple, the lowest common multiple of them will be the bigger one. Get it? Okay, so number 10, number 12, number 3, number 11, number 19. Okay, your turn.
Wait, so we do all of the ones that are circled, so that
Yeah,
means
1, 2,
10,
3, 4,
18.
5. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, last one, Alex. Do you want to do the last one?
Done.
Okay, very good. Good job. Good job. Very good. Okay, both of you did very good. Okay, so I think you all understand how to do them, right? Very good. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Okay, so we finished the whole entire one. Wow. Very good. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So we only have 5 minutes left. You know what? Let's just don't do the new one. So just to finish yeah, so the next one we're going to do the next week. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so these questions.
So we do them now?
Mm-hmm.
Lowest common multiple?
Mm-hmm.
Done.
Okay, Amelia has finished. 哦，我们来看有2道题不对啊。Okay, so let's do one by one. Okay, so when we're doing the question, the main character is like get it right, right? So 4 is a multiple, so 12 is a multiple of 4. So that's why the answer is 12. No problem. Very good. Okay, this question is right. Okay, but let's take a look at this one. 12 and 24. Is 24 the multiple of 12, Alex? So if 1 is the other one's multiple, so the lowest common multiple will be what? Will be itself. Get it, Amelia? Get it? Okay, next one, 25 and 30. 25 and 30. So we can take a look at this one, 25, 30. So divided by 5. So we have 5 and 6, right? So the answer will be 5 times 5 times 6. So 5 times 5 equals 25 times 6 equals what? 150. Very good. This one's right. So 15 and 5. So very good because 15 is multiple of 5. So that's why it's right. This one, 15 and 20. So we have divided by 5. So 3 and 4. So the answer is 60. Very good. So 32 and 27. So 32 and 27. Sorry, 27. So divided by what? They don't have anything in common. So the answer will be 32 times 27. Okay, just one simple question wrong. Get it, Amelia? Okay, very good. Okay, so today we have go through a lot of things together, right? We have learned the rounding number and lowest common multiple and greatest common factor and finding the number of the factors, correct? Okay, so that's it for today's class.
No,
We're gonna
I
see each other. Yeah, we're gonna see each other next week. Understand?
no, I like this class.
Okay, so I know, but I have some other classes, so we're gonna see each other again, right, Amelia? Okay,
Yeah.
bye-bye, Alex.